In the last few years, you might have observed that AI is taking over the world, and these AI tools can improve our productivity and help in our day-to-day tasks. And if you know how to use these AI tools effectively, it can immensely help you to improve your productivity. Every single week, there are new AI tools that are being introduced, and if you are an AI enthusiast and want to learn about these latest AI tools, this course will be perfect for you. And this particular course, we are going to be covering more than 100 AI tools and mastering them to improve our productivity. These AI tools can not only generate text output, but they can also generate images, videos, audios, and much more. And some of them are impressive. You cannot even imagine that this is possible with an AI tool. So if you want to embark on this exciting journey of learning all these AI tools out there and master them to improve your productivity or get an AI assistant to work with you in your day-to-day tasks, then what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and get started now on this exciting journey of learning and mastering more than 100 AI tools. I'm waiting for you on the flip side. Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks or struggling with workflow bottlenecks? Imagine having an AI assistant that adapts, learns, and works just like you need it to. This video is sponsored by Lyzr Agent Studio, the game changer your business has been waiting for. The most advanced platform for creating AI agents. With just 3 simple steps: set up, build, and deploy, you can design robust, secure, and self-learning agents tailored to your business needs. Whether you're automating tasks, personalizing workflows, or integrating with tools like Salesforce, SAP, or ServiceNow, Lyzr has you covered. Plus, it's all backed by cutting-edge privacy standards to keep your data secure. From startups to global enterprises, businesses trust Lyzr to save costs and enhance customer satisfaction. And the best part, with Lyzr's low-code platform, anyone can build agents without breaking a sweat. Ready to take your business to the next level? Try Lyzr Agent Studio today. Click on the first link below to get your free demo and see the future of automation in action. Don't wait, unlock your potential now. Hello there. In this particular lesson, we are going to be learning about a free alternative to Midjourney that is known as Playground. So this is a new AI tool for generating images with the help of our text prompt. And we can use it for absolutely free, of course. So we don't need to sign up to Discord and use the entire server where everyone is trying to generate the images. Instead, we can use the Playground and we can generate the images with the help of our prompt. And the output of it is really good, as it is based on the stable diffusion model. So let me show you how we can sign up for this. So for getting started, we just need to search for Playground AI. And after searching this, you will get this first result that says playground.com. So you just need to go to this and you can see create and edit images like a pro without being one. And you can see this is the output that you can generate with the help of the Playground. And in the real time, you can also regenerate the image or edit it online. So you don't need to regenerate the entire output. You can also edit it as well online. So this feature is missing on Midjourney. So if I scroll down, you can see mixed images editing, a new way to combine real and synthetic images to create stunning works of art and photorealistic images born only by your imagination. So here are some of the images that it has combined, and you can see here is the output that we get. So if I scroll down, you can see edit images as you imagine. So we can just select the part that we want to edit or regenerate. We can easily do that with the help of Playground AI. So if I scroll down, you can see grow images beyond their edges. So we can also use the generative fill in the Playground. So it is also available in other text to image generators. And if I scroll down, you can see here are some of the examples. And you can see we can also remove the elements from our images by just selecting them. And if I scroll down, you can see fit objects into any scenes. So you can see here is how we can change the location of a particular object. And you can see what this particular feature will do. We can describe a kid wearing a cape, and you can see it has generated the cape for us. So this is a really exciting tool that I am really excited about, and we can just click on get started and we can use our Google account to sign up with this. So I will just try to sign up with the account and show you the features of a Playground. So after signing up, we will get this particular dashboard, you can see, and you can see this is the daily theme that changes daily. So you can see here is the introduction to Playground version 2.5. Get vibrant colors in Playground 2.5. We can try this thing out. We'll click on next, introduction, presets. So save your settings and prompt to reuse later. So we can also save our settings and reuse in the next prompts as well. This is a new feature that they have added, enhanced details with creative upscaling. So we can upscale the images as well. So that is another feature. Then we can create incredible portraits with photorealism. So by using it, we can create realistic photos with portrait mode on with shallow depth of field. That is also possible now. So we can just try this thing out as well. So right now what I will do is I will just try to give it a prompt over here. So you can see this is a prompt area. So what I will do is I will type a prompt. Now this is my prompt that I want to generate. You can see here are some filters that we can select from. So if I just click on this, you can see the photorealism is just available for pros. So if you upgrade to the pro plan, then you can use this particular feature. Then if I scroll down, you can see here are different filters that we can use. So what I can use is a realism engine. So I will just select that, and you can see here are some exclude from the image. So here are some things that will be excluded from the image. Then expand prompt, use AI to improve the short prompt and get new images style ideas. So what I can do is I can just select this. So it will be generating better prompt from this one that I have given it as an input. Then exclude from the image. So we can also select custom, and these things will be excluded from the image. Then we can also generate image to image by uploading an image from here. And if I scroll down, you can see control traits. Then you can control generated image trails like edges, depth, and post. So we can also control that. But for now, what I will do is I will just click on generate, and you can see that we get 50 free image generation daily. So you can generate up to 50 images daily, and you can see it has started generating the image for us. And over here, you can see that we have presets as well. You can select presets from here. So this is the one. So you can see this is the output that it has generated. It looks pretty cool. So what I can do is I can add sports bike. Now I can select a preset from here, realistic portraits. I will select that. Then stable diffusion. You can select from here which one you want to use. So we can use stable diffusion XL or Playground 2.5. And you can also select the size of the image that we want to generate. So I will just select this. And you want, whether you want the fastest output or high quality output, you can just select that. Number of images, you can also select this from here. So what I will do is I will just select single number of image, and I will just try to generate it. Now let's see the output using the Playground version 2.5. The previous output was using the stable diffusion and model, and this one is using the other one. So you can see it has generated another output for me. So what I will do is I will just try to copy this prompt from here and try to regenerate it. So I think it has by mistakenly generated some other output. So after selecting this, what I will do is I will just click on generate, and it will be generating the output using the Playground 2.5 version. And previously the output was generated with the help of stable diffusion XL model. So now you can see this is the output what I was expecting, and you can see how good looking this output is. So you can see the cat is there. There is a helmet. It is wearing a leather jacket. There is a sports bike in the output. So the previous one was really funny using the stable diffusion XL model, and you can use the Playground 2.5 as well. So there are different options available over here, as well as you can use different filters. So here are different filters available for us to use. So what we can do is realistic is there, warm box, cinematic. Then we have vibrant, ultra lightning, and things like that. So let me just try to select any of one. So I will select the masterpiece and try to generate the image again. Now you will be able to see an image that will be using the filter masterpiece, and it will be generating the image for us. So this is the masterpiece version of this previous image that it has generated. So this is how the image looks like, and we can also upscale the image by creating creative upscale. After clicking this button over here, it will be upscaling the image to improve the quality of the image. Then we can also create variations by clicking on this particular button, and we can download it by clicking on the download button. So if I just try to download it, I can also download this one as well, and I can create variations of this. So let's wait for it to generate. So you can see you are on a slow version, while on the free plan, upgrade to the pro plan to get shorter wait times. So this is the output. This is the upscale version of this particular image. So you can see this is before, this is after. So you can see clearly the difference between these two outputs, and the upscale version looks much better as compared to the previous version. And this is the other version of the previous image that it has generated this image. So it has regenerated the alternative for this particular image. So this also looks very cool. So you can also upload your own images as well and try to regenerate it. So what I can do is I will just try to remove the prompts from here and create a masterpiece by uploading another image. So I will just select this image that I have on my system, and our AI models can't perfectly replicate an image, especially faces. If you have uploaded a face, it won't look like the image face. Okay. So you can see that it won't be able to recognize the faces in the image. So the faces might change. It's like trying to draw a new picture using a blurry image as a reference. Instead, AI takes the inspiration from the image and creates something new. So it is not going to be regenerating the image that we have given as an prompt. It will be trying to use it as an inspiration and try to generate the output for us. So here, so this is my prompt that I want to generate, and over here I can select any of these. So I can change the filter over here to some futuristic one. So you can see Spielberg. I want to select this, and I will just click on generate. So let's see the output of this particular prompt that we have added over here. 4K cinematic resolution graphics showing a person engaged in a conversation via hologram screen, and you can see, okay, select the image you like. Okay, so it is asking me questions related to the images over here. So we have to just rate the best quality images. So I will just click on skip, and you can see it has only generated the same image. So I think I have added too much strength to the image. That's why it has generated the same output. Let me just keep it to 30% and try to regenerate it. So let's see what type of output it will be getting us in this case. So if it is 100%, so it has generated the same image for me without adding anything in the image. So let's wait for it to generate the output, and you can see it has generated this particular output for me. So this person is in a spaceship, but there is no holograph in the output. So you can see a person using a hologram screen to talk to a person while being in a spaceship. So it is not able to give us the appropriate output that I was expecting. So I can use this thing in ChatGPT and try to rewrite the prompt. So over here, what I will do is I will type rewrite the prompt to get best image output for, and I will just paste the prompt over here, and it will be rewriting the entire prompt for us. So it has generated this particular prompt. What I can do is I can just try to copy this prompt from here and paste it in here so that we will get some different kind of output. We'll just click on generate, and let's wait for it to generate the image for us. Now you can see this is another image that it has generated, but there is no person in this image. And we can see the prompt was imagine a scenario where a person communicates via holographic display from inside a spaceship, creating an immersive and futuristic interpretation. So this was using the Playground 2.5 model. If I just select stable diffusion model and try to generate the image, so what I can do is I can use the Juggernaut model and many different models over here. So this is a plus point of using Playground because it offers stable diffusion as well. And you can see what I can do is I can try to regenerate it with the help of stable diffusion model this time, and it will be giving us the output using it. So let's wait. So it is taking much longer, and you can see this is the output that we get. So I was not expecting this type of output. Let me try to regenerate it by turning off the expand prompt option. And this is the output that it has generated. So still, it was not able to create the holographic screen in the output. And you can see this image and this image looks pretty much similar to each other. And the person's face is different as compared to this one. So this is how you can use Playground to generate different types of images for absolutely free of cost. So this is how you can use the Playground AI to generate different images based on our text prompt. And you can see that it also gives us 50 free credits to generate daily 50 images with the help of this particular tool. So this limit is for daily output. So you can see that we have generated 11 images out of 50 that we get daily. So over here, you can see that it also offers a pro plan. So you can just upgrade to the pro plan if you want to upgrade and get more images per day. You can see that we get 50 images per day, use images commercially. This is what we get in the free plan. Then you can see in $12 plan, we get 1000 images per day, use images commercially, no limit on image dimension up to 1 megapixel, then no limit on quality and details, faster image generation, high quality image PNG download, permanent private mode, unlimited presets, 100 creative upscales per month. So we can also do this, unlimited subtitle, upscaling, presets, and prompt expansions. Search all your images and ultimate. And we can also use the paid feature that is unlimited photorealism images with the help of this pro plan. Then we have turbo plan as well. So you can upgrade to any of the plan that you are interested in. So I will be leaving the link to this particular tool in the description. So you can just sign up from there. So I think that was it for this particular free alternative to Midjourney. And I hope you were able to understand how we can use this particular tool that is Playground to generate images based on our text prompt. So without further ado, let's move to the next AI tool of our course. Hello there. In this particular lesson, we are going to be learning about another new AI tool out there that is known as Runway ML Gen-3 Alpha. So this is a competitor for Sora. So OpenAI Sora was recently introduced by OpenAI. So using Sora, we can generate a video output based on our text prompt. Similarly, Runway ML also introduced their text to video model that is known as Gen-3 Alpha. So in this particular lesson, we will take a look at how we can get access to this, and we will be also taking a look at how we can use it to generate videos. So for this, first of all, we will just search for Runway ML and we will go to their official website. Over here, you can see Introduction to Gen-3 Alpha, a new fortune for high fidelity and controllable video creation. So this is an entire blog post that they have published. So you can see Gen-3 Alpha is the first of an upcoming series of model trained by Runway ML on a new infrastructure built for a large-scale multi-model training. It is a major improvement on fidelity, consistency, and motion over Gen-2. So right now the Gen-2 is available for us to use, and you can see this is the output, video output of Runway ML. So this is the videos. So let me just try to show you the output. So this is a video output that it has generated. So you can see prompt FPV flying through a colorful coral-linked streets of underwater suburban neighborhood. So this is the prompt that they have provided, and this is the output that it has generated. This is another prompt, and here is the output for that. So the output of this Runway ML Gen-3 Alpha looks much better as compared to other models that are currently out there. So you can see this is another one. And if we move to the next one, you can see this one is also there, where an astronaut is running through an alley in Rio de Janeiro. So this is that. So if I scroll down, you can see here are different examples that they have showcased on their blog posts right now. So you can see as a part of the Gen-3 family, we have been collaborating with and partnering with the leading entertainment and media organization to create custom versions of Gen-3 Alpha for them as well. So different media organization as well as entertainment organizations are partnering up with Runway ML to get access to their Gen-3 Alpha. So let's see whether it is available for us to use or not. So if we click on try now, so it will be asking us to sign up on
Runway ML. So I will just try to sign up on this particular website. So you can see right now it is asking, don't miss a beat. Get the best runway to your inbox. Stay up to date about new AI tools, new features, and latest offers. So if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. I will just click on skip and we will move to the page over here. You can see upgrade to standard for more access. So we can upgrade to its standard plan. And on this page, you can see we get this particular page where they are offering $12 plan and we will get 625 credits per month. And if we go for the monthly plan, in that case, you can see it is showing $15 and the credits are same. So if you want to use that, you can go for it. And there is free plan as well. You can see this is the free plan where we get 125 credits and the option is to create Gen 1 and Gen 2 videos. And the offering for Gen 3 is not available yet, but we can use the Gen 2 model to generate the videos right now. So we can click on try Gen 2. And over here, you can give it an input. So what I will do is I will give the same input that we tried previously as well with some other AI tools to check whether it generates better output as compared to the other models or not. So let me just try to add the prompt over here. So in this place, you can see we can add the prompt that we want to generate. So I have added a cat riding a sports bike, wearing a helmet in a leather jacket on a highway. So let me just try to generate it. Click on generate and it will be generating the video output for us. And over here, you can now save your prompts and set custom presets as well. So we can also try that. We right now will just click on generate 4-second videos. So you can see right now it is in under generation and it is trying to generate the output for us. So right now you can see it has generated 22%. So the interface of Runway ML is better than other text to video softwares or AI tools because it also shows how much percentage of the video is generated. So that's a really good thing. So let's wait for it to generate the final output for us. So right now you can see this is the final output that we get. So if we just try to play this video, you will be able to see that this is the video quality that it has generated. So if we just try to play the video. So this is the final output that we get. So we can also rate this output. So I don't like this output that much. So I will just rate it 2 and we can see that what doesn't match. So we can right now just try to select another image and try to generate a video out of that. So I will just upload an image and I have generated this image using Midjourney and I will just try to generate a 4-second video of this particular image. So right now it is under queue. It will be generating the output for us. In the meantime, what we can do is we can explore the other features that are available over here. So in the settings, you can see describe your shot, use the camera control, motion blur, or the brush. For more precision, we can do this. We can also copy the seed value. So we can copy the seed value and use it in other video generations as well. So the consistency of the video quality will be similar. And on this page, you can see that we get the resolution option as well. We can convert it into HD if we upgrade the plan. Also, we can remove the watermark if we upgrade to the Pro plan. And if we scroll down, you can see we can do different things with the camera control. So we can pan, zoom, and roll the video vertically, tilt, and things like that. So if we want to do different changes in the video, we can do it over here. Then we have motion brush. So we can remove different items from the video. So let me see. This is the generated video that we got. So this is going to be generating 5-second or 4-second videos. The output, you can see this is the output that it has generated. So this looks pretty cool. But as compared to other video generation, it is just generating 4 frames or a 4-second video. That is a negative of this particular Runway ML Gen 2 model. So right now the Gen 3 model is not available. So I will be also showing you how we can use the Gen 3 model in the upcoming videos. So if you want to remove anything, you can just use this brush. With the help of this brush, you will be able to remove the things in the image or the video output that we get. So you can also do different customized things over here. And if I try to use another image of this particular cat that I have generated, so I will just upload this. I click on back, and in the settings, I will change few things. So you can change the style of the video by clicking on this style option. You can see cinematic is there, abundant, and different other options are there. So I will use the anime option in this particular video. You can also use 3D render, 3D cartoon, and things like that. So you can try this thing out if you want. We also have an option for sci-fi art, and there is option for setting the aspect ratio of the video output. So I will get it as 9:16 ratio. Then if you want to do custom presets, you can also do that. So let me just give this as an input. So, and there is another option to extend the video as well. So if I click on extend, it will be extending the video with more 4-second clip. And apart from that, if we just try to upload the image of this cat, and we will be also generating the video for this as well. So I will just okay, there is no option for style in the image, so we will just try to generate the image or the output for this video. Then we will see the output of this, and in the next thing we will be trying to create an output for a particular prompt that I have already available with me. So this is another prompt that I have added, that is a person using a hologram screen to talk to a person while being in a spaceship. So I want to create this. So I will just remove the image from here, and I will click on style, and over here I will select sci-fi, and I can change the aspect ratio of the video as well. So I want it to be 16:9 ratio. Then you can add more things over here. Then you can also add negative prompt weight, and things like that. Then there is an option for controlling the camera. And what I can do is I can write here full shot. And you can see that it is also showing that we can use slow pan option. So it will be panning the shot for the output. And this is the regenerated video that we got. So if I just try to play this, you will be able to see this is the regenerated video of the previous video. So it has added more 4-second clip to this. So you can see it is changing the video output. This is the other video that it has generated for the cat. So I don't think it has added much movement into the output. So let's try to generate this one as well. So if I click on generate, it will be starting to generate the output. So as compared to other AI tools out there for generating videos, this is much faster, but the quality of the videos are not that great, as well as the video output is of just 4 seconds. So this is what we get with the help of Runway ML's Gen 2 model. If you use a Gen 3 model, it will be generating a video of up to 16 seconds that we are going to be trying out in the future video once it is available for us to use. So let's see this final output. How is the quality of this particular output? And based on that, we can judge that which is a better quality output for text to video models. And over here, you can see that we have 85 seconds left, and each second of the video generation uses 5 credits, and you have 425 credits left. Upgrade to Pro plan. So here is where it is asking us to upgrade to the Pro plan, and we only have 85 seconds of video generation left for this Runway ML. So if you want to get more points or more video generation, in that case you have to upgrade for the Pro plan of this Runway ML. So I will be leaving the link to that in the description, so you can sign up from there. And over here in the final output, you will be able to see that what type of output we will get. So now you can see this is the final output for the prompt that we have added over here. So you can see this is the video output that it has generated, and you can see that the video has no movement in this, just the lightings are glowing over here, and the person is there, and there is no holograph in the output video, and just the colors of the video is changing. So the output of this is not that great, but in the demo of the Gen 3 Alpha, if I just show you, they are claiming that they have improved the model very much. And you can see here is the output that we will get with the help of this particular model. So once it is available for use, we can use that as well. And we can generate better quality videos for Runway ML Gen-3 Alpha. So on the home page of Runway ML, you can see that we can convert text or image to video. We can convert video to video. We can generate audio as well. We can lip sync the video. We can remove the background. Then we can remove the text from the image. We can generate image to image. Then there is infinite image available over here. Then expand image. Then we have frame interpolation. Then erase and replace is there. Backdrop remix and a lot more things are available over here. You can try them out as well. So I think that was it for this particular AI tool, that is Runway ML's Gen-3 Alpha. So once it is available, I will be updating the video for it as well. I think that was it for this particular lesson on covering Runway ML's Gen-3 Alpha. And we have taken a look at how we can use the Gen-2 version of Runway ML's model. So I think that was it for this particular AI tool. So without further ado, let's move to the next AI tool of our course. Hello there and welcome to this video in which we are going to be taking a look at another text-to-image model by Stable Diffusion. So this is a new model that they have released recently. So we are going to be taking a look at this particular model that is available for us to use. So for getting access to this, what we need to do is in our browser, we need to search for Stable Diffusion 3. And after searching for this, you will get this first result by Stable Diffusion or Stability AI. So this product is offered by stability.ai. And over here, you can see that the weights for this particular model is also available on Hugging Face. So we can also download the weights for this particular model and we can use it for free as well. So if I click on download, you can see these are the weights and we can download and try to generate this particular type of image with the help of Stable Diffusion's weights. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see here is where the output is there. So you can see that what all features it offers. So now we can also generate text with the help of Stable Diffusion. So in the previous generation model, there was no option for generating the text on the Stable Diffusion model. So it was not that accurate with the text output on the images. But now they have improved that particular thing. And you can see the quality of the images is also very good. And apart from that, you can see that there is also the availability for this particular model in API format for the developers. So we can also go to the developers forum and we can generate the API key as well for generating images with the help of Stable Diffusion. So to get access to this, what I will do is I will just click on this waitlist, and after clicking on this, you can see it is now available for us to use. So if I click over there, you can see this is a page where we can get access to the Stable Diffusion 3 medium model. So to get access to this, what we can do is we click on try it now and we try to sign up. So you can see that it is a paid service. So we have to sign up at least with $9 per month plan. So what I can do is I can click on get started. And in this particular thing, we will get a 3 days free trial for it. So I will just click on sign up and sign up to the platform. And after that, we will be moving to the next step. So now over here, you can see it is asking for the payment page details. So we can add the payment details over here and we will be getting 3 days free trial. So if you want to cancel the plan, you can also cancel it. So what I will do is I will just add the details over here and sign up to the platform and get back to you. So once we are done with that payment, you will be able to see this particular page activating humanity's potential through generative AI, and we can try out the Stable Assistant or we can get the API key. So what I will do is I will just click on try Stable Assistant, and after clicking on this, we will be redirected to the assistance page. And if I just try to log in with my account, and on this page, you can see this is the Stable Assistant. You can see, hi, I'm a Stable Assistant beta. I'm your personal assistant powered by Stability's AI, image, video, audio, and text generation technology. Just ask me to generate the image or a song for you and have fun with our toolbox, editing images you uploaded or generated. So we can edit the images that we have already created, or we can generate new images with the help of it. So what I will do is I will first of all try to generate an image. So what I want to do is I want to generate an image of a cat riding a bike, sports bike, wearing helmet on a highway. So we are using this particular prompt because we can see the difference between the different generated outputs from different types of LLM models. So this is one of the common prompts that we are trying out on different text to image models. So you can see that it is trying to generate. So you can see this is the output that we get, and the output is pretty good as compared to the other ones. So this is one. So let me just try out something else. Or what we can do is we can use the text capabilities of this model by providing an input such as rewrite this prompt to get a realistic output. And what I will do is I will just try to paste the prompt over here. Now it will be trying to generate the image. Here is a realistic image of a cat riding a sports bike wearing helmet on a highway. So you can see this is the other image that it has generated. Now what I can do is I can open the toolkit, and over here we have different options to search and replace, new image with same structure, enhance, upscale, or outpaint. So these are the different options that we get. Apart from that, we can also download the image. So if I just click on this and try to save the image, so I can save the image to downloads. Similarly, I can save the other image as well. Now these both of the images are being downloaded on my system. So apart from this, we can also see that we can generate a song or upload one image. So I can do write a song on the same prompt. So let's see if it is able to generate the output for this song where a cat is riding a bike wearing a helmet on the highway. Now you can see this is the final output that we get about cat riding a bike, and it has given us this particular song. So if I just try to play this and show you the output. So it has given us some beats, but instead of creating the song, it has just given us some beats. So the output is pretty good. So it was able to generate some kind of output for us for this audio. Let's try out by uploading an image. So what I will do is I have some images over here. So we will just try out that images and try to generate some kind of output using it. So this was the audio that it has generated. Now let's try out by uploading an image over here. So what I will do is I will just try to find out the image that I have generated using Midjourney. So I will just try to upload this image, and after uploading this image, what I will do is I will give it a prompt. There is no option to give a prompt. It is asking to send this image. So what I will do is I will just try to send this image, and let's see what we can do. Ask me to generate. Okay, over here you can see search and replace is option is there. New image with the same structure. So if I just do this in anime style, I can do it in anime style. What prompt do you want to add this to this image? So what I will do is first of all, I will just try to create this image in anime style, and let's see the output of it. Once we are done with that, we will be giving it another prompt where we will try to generate an image in cinematic sci-fi. And after this, what I will do is I will just add my pre-written prompt from one of our previous. So we have added another prompt that says a person using a hologram screen to talk to another person while being in a spaceship. So I want to create this particular type of image using this, and I will just click on confirm. And you can see this is the output that it has generated using the Stable Diffusion model. So this is the output that we get, and let's see what output we will get from the previous input that we have added for the spaceship one. So let's wait for it to complete this. And here is how the output of this particular prompt is, and this looks pretty cool. So you can see there is a holograph screen kind of thing, and the person is trying to talk to this person, and it's in a sci-fi style. So this was a really good output that I got from this particular model. I will just try to save the image and download it. This one is also good. So this was the output of this particular model. So now what we can do is, apart from this, we can also change the settings for getting the output. So we can do a widescreen output, portrait output, vertical, and landscape output. So what I will do is I will do a widescreen output, and I will try to regenerate this particular image. Apart from that, we can also write a song. Okay, you can see on this drop down we get the previous prompts that we have added over here. So what I will do is I will just try to regenerate this by setting these settings over here, and let's wait for it to regenerate the output for us. Apart from this, what I can do is I can give this prompt as an input and try to generate an output of this. So the previous output was generated with the same aspect ratio, but this output will be generated in 16:9 aspect ratio because we have set up the settings over here as widescreen. So let's wait for it to generate the final output for this. And you can see the quality of this output is pretty much good as compared to other softwares out there. So this was one of the good quality images that we have generated with the help of this particular model or Stable Diffusion. So on the home page of the Stable Diffusion 3, it was mentioned that it was able to generate text as well on the images. So let's try this feature out. So create a image with a stop sign in the background with signal on Tokyo Street with supercars in sci-fi style. And if we give this particular prompt as an input, let's see what type of output it will generate. So let's wait for it to generate the output. Now you can see it has started generating the image. Let's wait for it to generate the image. And you can see here is the output image that we get. So you can see there are supercars, there is sci-fi style, and there is Tokyo Street. Apart from that, you can see there is a stop symbol over here with a stop sign. So this is how the image is generated, and the image looks pretty good. The quality of this image is very good as compared to other text to image models. So let's try to create a happy birthday hoarding banner for my cat Tom in New York Times Square. So this is the prompt that I have written. You can see create a happy birthday greeting for my cat Tom in the New York Times Square with cats walking on the street. So let's try to generate an image using it. What I can do is I can just try to copy this prompt from here, and I can also use ChatGPT to generate a really good prompt. So what I can do is rewrite this prompt to get better quality image output. And I will just try to paste this prompt over here that we have copied from there and hit enter. So it will be generating a prompt for us that we can directly copy and paste over there. So you can see it has rewritten that particular prompt. Design a festive birthday banner celebrating Tom, the cat in the heart of Times Square, New York. And you can see a vision of joyful cats parading along with the bursting streets, radiating, cheering, and warming. So what I can do is I will just try to copy this and go back to the Stable Diffusion and give this as an input. So you can see it will be generating a really good kind of output. So we can use ChatGPT as well as Stable Diffusion together to get the better output from the image. So let's wait for it to generate the output. Now you can see here is the output that we get, and this is the output. You can see this is the New York Times Square, and where is Happy Birthday Tom? So I don't think the Tom is written anywhere on the banners. You can see there is Happy Birthday over here. Happy Birthday is there. Okay, so this was the output that it has generated. What I can do is I can try to give the prompt that we have written previously and see the output of that. So I can try to copy this. I will paste this in sci-fi style. Let's try to generate this. Now let's see the output of this particular image. So you can see this was a really good output that we got. This one was average. Let's see what output we will get for this one. So it will be able to generate the output. You can see happy birthday is clearly mentioned over here. Happy birthday, Tom. So I wanted to get happy birthday, Tom. Okay, what I can do is I can try to fix the prompt from here. So happy birthday, Tom. I should have mentioned it over here. Then only it will be able to understand what should be the text on the board. So if I do this, and so I have updated the prompt by adding create a happy birthday Tom banner for my cat Tom in the New York Times Square with the cats walking on the street in cinematic style. So if I just try to give this as an input, let's see what type of output we will get. So this should have fixed the error that we were getting previously. So in this particular output, we didn't get a name of the cat. So now it should mention the name of the cat as well. So happy birthday is there. Okay. So still it has not mentioned the name of the cat. So you can see this is the output that we get, and still there is no mention of the text. So I don't think they have that much improved the quality of the output. So it is also not mentioning that which model we are currently using. So I am not able to select the model that we are using to create this particular output. So I think they are using some kind of other model to generate the output. So let me see if we can change the settings to use some other model from here. Settings. You can see these are the different credits that we got, and expand the message. Let's try out with this command sci-fi using, and the model name from here we can copy this stable diffusion 3 medium. So I will just copy the name of the model from here, and let's see if it is able to generate the output using stable diffusion 3 model medium. So it is not showing which model they are using currently to generate the output, but with the help of this, I think it should have generated the output for us. So let's wait for it to generate the output. So in this output also, you can see that it has not clearly mentioned that happy birthday Tom in the board, but in the previous output that we got over here, it has mentioned stop sign over here. You can see this is the stop sign that it has created over here. So this was about how we can generate text on stable diffusion model, and you can see the accuracy of it. This was the accuracy of generating this type of output. So I think that was it for this particular AI tool, and I hope you were successfully able to generate images with the help of stable diffusion and you understand how to use it effectively. Without further ado, let's move to the next AI tool of our course. Hello and welcome to this lesson in which we are going to be learning about another new exciting AI tool, that is animated drawings by Meta. So with the help of this AI tool, we can convert our drawings or any character and make them animated with the help of this particular AI tool. So if we search for this particular tool on Google, so we are going to be searching for animated drawings by Meta. So after searching it, you will be getting this first result, that will be animated drawings. So this is provided by Meta. So you can see it is developed by Facebook, which is known as Meta now. So if we click on this particular first link, and you can see the description of it as well. Animated drawings represented by Meta AI research bring children's drawing to life by animating characters to move around and get started. So if we click on it, you will be able to see this particular page where the link is sketch.metademolab.com. So I will be providing the link in the resources section. From there, you can go to this particular link directly, and you can see animated drawings presented by Meta AI research bring children's drawing to life by animating characters to move around. So with the help of it, we can create different animations. So to get started, we will click on get started, and you can see there is how we can upload a drawing. So it can be a hand-drawn sketch of a child or something. So you can see there are some rules as well that we need to add over here. So make sure the character is drawn on a white piece of paper without lines, wiggling or tears. Make sure the drawing is well lit. To minimize the shadows, hold the camera further away and zoom in on the drawing. So we can draw a hand-drawn drawing on a piece of paper and try to get it clicked with the help of our camera and upload it over here. Don't include identifiable information, offensive contents, and you can see the community standards over here, and you can see some samples that are available. Feel free to try the demo clicking on one of the following images. So we can click on any image and try to find out the demo with the help of it. Otherwise, we can upload the character that we have already with us directly onto this particular app. So upload our drawing, one character where the arms and legs don't overlap the body, and we can see the example over here. So if I just try to upload a character over here that I have already downloaded, I will just try to upload it, and you can see this is a character that I have with me. So I will click on next, and you can see it is asking us to accept some agreements. So you can just go through it. I will click on agree, and we'll try to capture this particular one. And if I click on next, it will try to find out the different outlines of the character. So you can see this is the entire character that we have, and we will click on next. So if you want to remask, you can also click on remask and upload a better image. So this is the mask character that it will be taking as an input. I will click on next, and it will be showing different parts of the character. So here you can see finding the character joints. Here are your character joints. There is an example of what it can look like. So we can see it has its eyes, then ears, and right and left arm. Then the entire legs and entire body shape has been taken as different joints that it can move around. So you can see here, if your character doesn't have any arms at the elbow and so on, you can see here is the further details that we can take into consideration before getting started. So now our character is looking perfect in my case. So I will just click on next. If your character doesn't look good, you can just go through it and try to understand what is the issue with it. So you can upload any image, hand-drawn image, or any image that you already have. So I will just click on next, and it will be able to create an animated character of this particular character that we have uploaded. And you can see now the character is dancing over here and it's jumping around. So if I want it to say hello, you can see if I just click on this one, you can see it is waving the hand and trying to do the different stuff over here. You can see all the different things that it can do. It can do funny things like these ones. If I just try to get the funny one, you can see it will be able to wave its hand. It can also jump, walk around, and do different stuff. So if I do this one, you can see it will be jumping around, and you can see here is how it looks like. And if you want it to walk in, we can also do it. So you can just animate the entire character by just a click of a button, and you can see simply in under 2 minutes we were able to animate this entire character with the help of the animated drawings. So if you want to share it with someone, you can just click on share, and you will be able to share this video. You can do some things like fix. If you want to fix anything, you can just click on fix, and it will be able to fix that problem that you have with the character. And you can see here is how it looks like. So if you want to create a drawing, you can upload another drawing if you want by clicking on draw. Now, one thing that we forget to do was downloading the entire video for us. So if I just try to make it work and try to download it, say for I want to download this particular video, in that case what I can do is I can just full screen this video and try to download it from this download button that I will get. If I click on download, it will be downloading the entire video for me. So if I just try to play this video, you will be able to see it in a white background, and the character has been animated instantly. So this is how you can download the videos and play around with this animated characters with meta animated drawings. So I think that was it for this particular AI tool that we have covered in this particular lesson. So without further ado, let's move to the next AI tool of the course. Hello there, in this particular lesson we're going to be learning about another AI tool, that is Galileo.ai. So if you want to access this particular tool, using which we can convert our prompts into good looking UIs. So if I just search for Galileo AI on the browser, you will be able to see Galileo AI is UI generation platform for easy and fast design ideation. If I just click on Galileo AI and go to this particular website, use Galileo.ai. So I will be providing the link in the resources section of this video, so you can directly click on the link and you will be able to access this particular tool. So over here, if I just type something like food ordering app and click on generate, and it will ask me to sign up. We click continue with Google, sign up on this particular platform, click on continue, and we will be able to see a output for the prompt that we have added. So I just need to fix few things over here. Let's try to give it some things, and we'll just try to add a company name over here on continue and sign up on this particular platform. So we will be trying it for free, and if I type here food ordering platform or food ordering platform, click on generate. Let's wait for it to give us a design. Working on your design, it might take few seconds to generate this particular design using the Galileo AI. To clarify, are you looking to design a mobile interface for a, or if so, you could please specify if you are interested in particular screen. Okay, so we have to give it another input. So if I give it an input as it will be a website, I click on generate, and it is taking the input in the form of a chatbot. So you can see it is also asking to clarify whether we are looking for a mobile interface or some other one. I'm sorry, but I can only assist you with mobile interface design in this thread. So let's try with another thread where we are going to be selecting web and trying to copy paste the same prompt that we have added previously. So I just copy and click on web. Try to give it an input. Try to select the spelling over here, click on food ordering platform. Let's wait for it to design the application. It might take few seconds to give us the final UI for this particular application. To assist you, please confirm if you want to include these screens or if there are any specific one you would like to add in your screen. So we want homepage, this, okay. So I am okay with you can see this is what it will be adding in our application: restaurant listing, individual restaurant menu, shopping cart, checkout page, user profile, and much more. So this is what it will be including in our application or the web UI. Let's wait for it to complete the final output for us. So it has started generating the UI for the website. You can see here is images. So it's still generating them. It might take few seconds as we are using the free version. So you can has generated this one on it. Let's wait for it to generate the other ones first, and we will be able to access each and every page after that. We can also open this particular app UI in Figma as well. So you can see we can click on Figma and it will be opening it in Figma as well. If I click on it and try to copy it to Figma, and if we go to Figma, we will be able to add it over there. So if we go to edit, you can see still it is processing this images. Let's wait. Okay. So here is the final output that we get. So you can see this is the output. So review your order. This is the home page. You can see satisfy your cravings, search for a restaurant, cuisine, or a dish. So this is a food ordering application that it has generated for us, and we can also import it in Figma and directly map out the application over there. So if I just click on this image, you can see here is how the things will look like in the restaurant tab. This is where we can check out with this particular application. You can see payment method and all are available over here, and the entire application is looking awesome. So this is how we can generate an UI with the help of this particular tool, that is Galileo AI, and create a website with the help of it. And we can copy the entire output to Figma as well. So if I just copy this and try to open my Figma and go Figma, I will just try to log in to Figma, and if I just try to sign up over here, let's wait for it to create the account over here, and we will be able to copy the entire design over here directly. Or just try to create a new Figma design over here. If I go to this one and try to paste it over here now, and you can see the entire design is now available in the Figma, and we can edit the different things over here, and we can change the entire website structure with the help of the Figma now. So this is how we can generate this particular application and try to import it in Figma as well. So now you can see the entire structure of the website has been changed, and if I just try to undo all the things, we will be able to see different things over here. So this is how we can do that, and we will be able to generate or change everything inside the Figma with the help of this design that we have got as an output from Galileo AI. So this is how we can do that, and it will make the entire process of creating a website like peanuts. So it will be quite easy for you to design the website by creating this particular design and importing it in Figma, and we will be able to edit the entire structure of the website as per our needs. So this was it for this particular application, AI application, that is Galileo AI. With the help of it, we can generate UI with the help of prompts, and we can also import the designs into Figma to edit it further more and make changes into our website. So I think that was it for this particular AI tool. So without further ado, let's move to the next AI tool of our course. Hello there, and welcome to this exciting lesson in which I will be sharing how you can get free access to simplified AI tools. So in this particular lesson, I will be showing you how you can create your free account for simplified AI with a step-by-step process, and you will be able to use all the features of simplified AI for absolutely free of cost. So simplified AI don't offer any free tier for anyone out there, but we have partnered up with simplified AI to offer all its feature for free to my audience. So I will be showing you the step-by-step process to get the free access to all the AI tools that simplified AI offers. So for that, first of all, we need to open our preferred browser over here. And over there, we're going to be searching for Simplified. And after searching for this, you will get this first result, that is all-in-one app for modern marketing and AI features. So for getting the access to the free tier of Simplified AI, you need to use this particular link, that is simplified.com/affiliate-program/Arbas. And you can also see the link below, and you can also get the link in the description of this video. So you can just click on that link and you will be redirected to the page where you can get the access to the Simplified AI free account. So you can see level up your marketing skills with Arbas and Simplified. And if I scroll down over here, you can see level up your marketing skills with exclusive Simplified and Arbas offer. So for getting started with the free account, you just need to click on try Simplified for free, and you can also scroll down and see what all features you will get over here. So you can see different things that are available over here. And for now, we are going to be just clicking on try Simplified for free and click on this, and we can click on get started for free. After that, we will be able to see this particular sign up page. So over here, you can just click on sign up with Google, or you can add your email address over here and sign up using it. So I will just add my email address and try to create an account over here. And after creating the account, it is going to be sending an code to our email address for verification. I will just try to add the code over here. And after adding the code, it will be asking us to create the workspace. So we are going to be naming it as crash code. And after naming the dashboard, we will be able to see this particular page. That means we have successfully signed up for Simplified AI, and you can see that we can try all the features for free. Try for free, and all the features available over here, you can try it for free. So we have successfully signed up to Simplified AI and all its feature, and you will get access to all this feature for absolutely free of course. So you just need to keep in mind that you use a link below to get started with the free account. Otherwise, you won't get access to the free account. You have to pay for it. So I think that was it for this particular lesson on setting up our free tier account on Simplified AI. And I hope you were successfully able to set up your account. So I think that was it for this particular lesson. And I hope you are really excited to take a deep dive into the world of Simplified AI and its AI features. So without further ado, let's take a deep dive into the world of Simplified AI and its amazing features.
Hello and welcome to this course in which we are going to be learning about a new AI tool that is called Simplified. So using this AI tool, we can perform different tasks with the help of this particular AI tool. It offers a bunch of different AI features in it. So we're going to be taking a look at it right away. So let's get started with it. So over here on my screen, open my Chrome browser, and over there I will search for Simplified. And after searching for this, you will get this first result that says Simplified is an time-saving all-in-one app that your modern marketing team can use for collaboration. Millions of free images, videos, and clips are available on simplified.com. So if we go to this particular website, you will see create anything you can imagine with the AI on your site. So with the help of AI, we can create all these different things that this particular solution offers. So you can see AI writer is there, AI design is there, AI videos, social media AI, and much more. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that here are some examples of Simplified AI and what it can create. So you can see we can give it a prompt and it will be creating different images for us, and it will be also able to generate different text for us as well. So we don't need to have multiple subscription for different services. We can get all these things at one place, that is Simplified AI. So if I scroll down, you can see what all different companies are using Simplified. So you can see all these companies are using Simplified for their use. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can see one app to cover all the basics, and you can see what all it offers. We can create AI scripts, AI presentation, we can ask the AI, we can generate images with the AI, we can also generate the subtitles as well. So if I scroll down, you can see collaboration made easy. We can collaborate with multiple people with the help of the Simplified AI. Then we have integrations that save time. So we can integrate this particular Simplified AI with all these different options that we have over here, like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, WordPress, Shopify, and much more. So we have a lot of options over here that you can see. And if I scroll down, you can see brand support everywhere, so we can get the brand support as well. And if we scroll down, you can see there are more examples over here. So we have Simplified workflow with AI, and you can see AI image generator. Then we have all these images that it has generated for us. So you can see if we give it a prompt, it will be trying to generate the images in real time. So if we go to the next part, over here you can see AI presentation maker. So we can just give it a topic of a particular presentation, and we can select from the templates that are available over here. And if we click on create, so it will be creating the entire presentation with the help of AI. So we are going to be taking a look at each and every feature of Simplified AI next, but I'm just giving you a brief overview of what all features it offers. So over here you can see AI thumbnail maker. So with the help of this, we can generate a thumbnail for our YouTube videos or our Instagram reels or anything else with the help of this AI thumbnail maker. Then we have AI ad generator. So if you are running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google. So you can also generate your ad copies or ad creatives with the help of this particular AI tool. Then let's see what is next. Then we have AI photo editor. So with the help of this, we can edit the photos with the help of the AI, similarly how we do in Photoshop. But over here, you can add different objects into the images. Let's see. Let's say you want to add a particular cloud, or you want to remove the background. You can do with the help of this particular AI tool, that is Simplified AI. Then we have AI short clips. So you can upload your YouTube videos or your Instagram reels or a podcast clip, and it will be creating AI shots with the help of this particular AI tool, and it will be creating different shots from that particular clip. So you can see over here that it can create 10x faster with the help of AI. Then next we have AI voice cloning. You can also clone your voice and make it speak whatever you would like to speak, and you can create a script and it will be reading out the entire script for you with the help of that particular cloned voice that we have added in there. So that's another thing we can do with the help of this simplified AI. So you can use it in multiple ways. Let's say you have created a YouTube video and you have a mistake over there. So you can use this particular AI voice cloning feature and add that particular sentence or the mistake that you have done during your videos. So you don't have to take a retake, or you don't have to re-record the entire session. So that is possible with this AI voice cloning feature of Simplified AI. The next we have AI subtitle generator. So with the help of this particular feature, what we can do is we can upload our reels or YouTube videos, and it will be generating the entire subtitles for us with the help of it. The next we have AI blog writer. So if you are a blog writer or a particular content writer, you can use it to write the content for you. So you can just give it a topic and it will be writing the entire blog post for you. So that will be an amazing part to automate, and you can write out different blogs every day and publish it and get a lot of traffic on your blog website as well. So this AI will help you in multiple ways, and the list goes on and on. So you can see AI bulk post generator, so you can generate bulk post as well. Then we have AI image generator, as we have already covered this previously. So we can generate different images like DALL-E and Midjourney. So we will be able to generate similar images with the help of this particular AI tool. So if I scroll down, then you can see made for you and everyone around. So you can see it can do graphic designing as well. Then we can start from scratch. We can use templates and we can share it with our team and anyone else if you want to share it. Then we have copywriting, generate ideas instantly, refine your writing with AI, and collaborate side by side. So this is possible with the help of Simplified AI. Then we have video creator. Then we can use the AI powered efficiency in our content creation. Then we can effortlessly create different content with the help of this particular AI tool. Then there are more tools side by side that we can use to give it a better quality into our videos by adding the captions, AI images, and much more. Then we have social media manager. So with the help of this, we can manage our social media as well, and we can automate the task of publishing our reels, and we can schedule it according to our time. So that is also available in Simplified AI. We will be taking a look at everything, each and every feature in depth in the further videos. But for now, this is just a brief overview. Then we have a podcaster. We can create podcast clips with the help of the Simplified AI, and it can generate scripts or generate AI videos from our entire podcast clip. So it can generate a 30-second clip or 60-second clip from our entire podcast. After that, we have the influencer. That is an AI influencer that will help us to get personalized suggestions for different content ideas. Then we have influence with perfection. Then we can utilize the marketing suite of the Simplified to generate different content and marketing ideas with the help of it, and we can generate a lot of things with the help of this. So this tool is a one-stop solution for anyone who is a creator, or it's a content marketing agency, or anyone else who works in the content area. Whether you're a video editor or you're a graphic designer, you can use this particular AI tool, and this should be in your arsenal for sure. because it has a lot of features that you can use and automate a lot of tasks. And you can see what millions have to say about simplified AI, and there are tons and tons of different reviews about this particular AI tool and how people are enjoying using this particular AI tool. And if I scroll down, you can see what all features are there in this particular simplified AI. So you can go through it and you can see what all features it offers. And if there is a new feature into the AI market that is also integrated with a simplified AI, and you can use that feature as well. So like text to video generation is one of the new features that is in the market. So I hope these guys at Simplified AI are working on a text to video generator that will be soon available for us to use. So these were the different AI features that this particular tool offers, that is Simplified AI. And I hope you got a clear idea of what all things and what all features this particular Simplified AI offers. So I hope you are excited to learn more about this AI tool. So without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course, where we will be diving into the world of simplified AI and exploring all the AI features that it offers. So in the previous video of our course, we have set up the simplified account, and I hope you were successfully able to get the access to the simplified account and you were able to create your account over there. So now what we are going to be doing is we're going to be starting with exploring different features of simplified AI. So for that, I will just open my browser. Over here, you can see this is the layout of the simplified AI that we get after getting into this particular application. So over here, you can see AI design, AI videos, AI writer, AI social media. Then we have link in the bio. Then we have AI magic tool and AI chatbot. So all these features are available for us, and you can see try out this particular app, that is project management, that is in beta, be available once it is out of this beta. So you can also use this project management as well. So right now we're going to be exploring this particular tool, that is AI designer. So if I click over here, you can see it can create ads, thumbnails, presentation, and more with the help of AI. So if I click over here, you can see what all features that it has. So it might take few seconds to load. And if I scroll down over here, you can see simplified tutorials are there, then explore the templates collection, then we have quick tools, and here are the different AI tools that it offers. So you can see script to art, then we can draw something on a paper and we can upload it. So it will be generating an art with the help of the scribble that we have created. Then we have AI text to image. So we can generate an image by providing an text prompt and it will be generating image according to that. Then we have AI carousel maker. So with the help of this, we can make a carousel. Then we have AI thumbnail maker. Then we have batch editor. Let me just try to start with the text to image one. So let's try to generate an image with the help of this. Okay, so now you can see this is the page for creating an image. So here we can add a prompt. So you can also set the aspect ratio of the image, whether we want it to be square, standard. Then we have landscape as well. So all these things are available. Then we can generate number of generation. So let's say I want to generate only one image, then we can select one. Then we can also select four, whether if we want to get the different four images. Then we also have the style option over here. So you can see we can generate an image in the oil painting, neon punk, app icon, and much more. So all this cinematic is available, and there is low poly lighting, minimalistic, and much more. So we can generate the images in this particular style as well. So I will be selecting the cinematic one from here. Then we can also add the negative prompting. So we can remove any particular thing that we want over here. So we can add the negative prompting and it will be removing all that objects that we add over here from our image. Then we can also upload a particular image over here for a reference. So if we upload that over here, so it will be taking that as a reference and generating the image for us. So let's try to generate a simple image over here. So let me try to add a prompt over here, a person sitting on sofa and coding on the laptop. TV is on in the background. So this is my prompt, and I want to generate, let's say, 1 or 2 images of this particular thing, and I want it to be landscape. And over here, style, I have selected cinematic, and if I click on generate, let's see what type of output it will be generating for us. So let's wait and see how much time it takes to generate this particular image. I hope it will take few seconds to generate the entire output for us. So the thing that I have added over here is a person sitting on sofa and coding on a laptop, and TV is on in the background. So this is what I want. So let's see what type of output we will get. In the meantime, you can also imagine what type of result we should get, and you can see this is an amazing result that we have over here. So you can see this is a cinematic image of a person who is sitting on a sofa coding on a laptop, and there is TV on in the background. So this is what I expected from it, and you can see how cinematic this image looks. So this is a wonderful image. So over here you can copy the prompt as well. You can see what all options we get over here. So we can upscale the image, we can remove the background of the image, and after that we can regenerate different variations of this particular image. Then we can edit the image, then we can download it. So in the meantime, I will just download it for the reference, and we can copy the prompt as well. Let's try to upscale this particular image. So over here we have to select what should be the size of the image. So let me check out the other image as well. So this is another one. You can see a person is sitting in front of a laptop coding, and the TV is on in the background, but I like the other one. So what I will do is I will upscale this particular image to 8x, and you can see over here it is prompting that it might take 15 to 30 seconds to upscale this particular image. So let's wait for it to upscale the image, and once it is done, we will be able to see the final output over here. In the meantime, we can check out the image over here as well. So you can see this is the image that we got. So what we can do is, if we have a particular image style that we want to take inspiration from, so we can also upload that image as well over here. So let's wait for it to show us the final upscaled version of the image. Then I will be showing you how we can take an inspiration from a particular image and add it over here, and it will be creating that type of image as well. So over here, if I scroll down, you can see these are the different simplified apps that we can use. So right now we are using the text to image generator. Apart from that, we have color palette generator, then scribble to art, then we have generative fill tool, then we have eraser tool, then we have magic removal tool, then we have remove video background, blur images, replace background tools, then we have tweet to image, then video to GIF, remove image background, convert images, convert videos, crop and resize images, and we can do a lot of things. So if I scroll down, you can see a lot of features are available in this particular AI tool, and this is a feature packed AI tool. So it's taking longer than 30 seconds, I think. So because I have upscaled it to the 8x, so it might take longer than expected. So over here you can see this is the final output that we have. So previously this was the output, and after this is the output that we get. So I don't see much difference between this, but let's try to download it and save it. So now you can see the previous image that we have downloaded was only around an MB, but this particular image is 39 MB. So if I scroll this and open this, you can see the quality of the image is much better. So if we zoom in, you can see the pixels are not getting in the way, and the quality of the image is pretty good. So you can see if we zoom in, it is able to show us the image clearly. So this is how we can generate images, and we can get this particular type of output over here, where we can upscale the image and generate these type of images. Apart from this, we have other features as well over here. where we can upload an reference image over here. So if you have already an image that you want to take inspiration from, so over here I have this particular battlefield image. I will be adding this over here. We have added the reference image. We want it to be cinematic. Then we will write over here a person in a battlefield. In the battlefield and carrying guns. On a tank. So this is a prompt that I want to generate: a person in a battlefield carrying guns on a tank. So if I click on generate, let's see what type of output it will generate. This is going to be a cinematic one. And apart from that, we have also uploaded a reference image over there of a game called Battlefield. So from that, it will be taking the inspiration and generating the output for us. So let's wait for it to generate the output. And I will be also showing another feature that we have over here that I have recently came across. So let's wait for it to generate the file image, and then we'll use the other feature that we have discovered. So let's wait. It might take few seconds to generate the image. Okay, so you can see here is the output. After 30 seconds, I got this particular output, and you can see a person with firing arms, and tank is in the background. So I have to update this particular prompt to get a better result. But you can see this is the result that we got. These are the two images that it has generated. I will just try to download both of them. So here is the output that we get. So another feature that I was talking about is this particular thing. So with the help of this particular button over here, we can improve the prompt with the help of AI. So if I just click on it, so it will be using a particular generative AI, text generative AI, to make this particular prompt a better output. So you can see a soldier in a dusty battlefield, gripping two rifles tightly, stands on the top of the rugged tank. It's a metal exterior, betrayed by war. The smoke of the battle hovers in the air, observing the distinct horizon where more conflict blooms. Where more conflict looms, the soldier expresses the soldier's expression reflects a mix of determination, awareness, and a hit of fear, embodying the harsh reality of war. So this is the prompt that it has generated with the help of AI. And now if I click on generate, it will be creating an image that is generated by AI itself. So I have just given it a simple prompt, and it has generated the prompt itself with the help of this AI tool, AI feature that is already available for us. So we can just write out a simple sentence, a simple thing, and it will be generating a more intuitive way or a more specific thing for our particular prompt that we have entered over here. And after clicking on this particular improve prompt with AI, you can see the results that we get over here. So this is an amazing result, better than the previous one, and the other one is also a similar one, but you can see some things are changed over here. So this is what we get with the help of this particular AI tool and AI image generation. So this was the basic overview of this thing, and I hope you guys were able to create these types of AI images with the help of this AI tool that is Simplified AI, and we have this stunning looking results from the images. So you can see that we have all the images generated in one place. So if you lose any image, or if you are not able to find the image, you can come over here anytime and you can download any of the generated image. It will be saved for you in the Simplified AI app. So you can download any of the generated image in the future as well. So if you don't download it right now, you can do it later on as well. So I hope now you get a clear idea of what all features the Simplified AI for text to image generation offers. And you can see over here we also have a option to select from DALI to stable diffusion. So we can use stable diffusion, or we can use the DALI model as well. For this we have to upgrade, I think. So we have to choose a plan, paid plan, and we can use this particular feature as well. So you can see simplified one, and it is the best value that it offers. So all the features are available inside this particular simplified one. So I hope you have a clear idea of how to generate images with the help of this AI tool, and how we can use this particular AI tool, that is Simplified AI. I think that was it for this particular lesson on understanding the text to image generation with the help of Simplified AI. Without further ado, let's move to the next lesson of our course. Hello there. In this particular lesson, we are going to be taking a look at different features of Simplified AI in AI creatives. So how we can generate different AI creatives and manipulate them. So we're going to be taking a look at that. Over here, I have my simplified account, and over here you can see what all features it offers. So here are some tools that we want to check out. So we are going to be checking generative color palette. So if we drag and drop an image over here, let's see what image. So I have this particular image. I will drag and drop it over here, and you can see the different color palettes and different colors that are used in this particular image. So you can see black. If I click on the images color, it will be showing the color palette or the hex code for this particular color. So we can download it as well, and you can see different colors that are being used in this particular image. And if I click on download image as PDF, so over here, if I show you this particular PDF, you can see this has the image as well as the color code that we got. So with the help of this, we can get any of the images colors and in the form of a color palette. So if we want, we can reset and upload another image. So if I scroll down, and let me find out an image that we have generated. So you can see this is Mac OS wallpaper, and you can see this is the different colors that it has in the color palette. So we also got the hex code for each and every color, and this is what it looks like. Let me find out the AI generated images that we have downloaded, and we will try to generate an output for that. So over here, if I do so, you can see this is the image that we have previously generated in one of our videos, and we can generate the color palette for that as well. So this was a feature that we can use, and we can download it either in the form of image or in the form of a PDF. So you can see this is the image that it has generated for us. So this was another feature that Simplified AI offers. Then we have eraser tool. So if I open this eraser tool over here, and let's drag and drop an image. So let me find out an image over here. So okay, let's try to take this particular image and try to remove the person from this image. So let me try to remove this person from the image, and this is AI remover. So with the help of this, we can remove a person or particular object from the image. And if I click on done, then I will do select AI eraser, done, and click on finish. So it will remove this person from the image, and instead of this person, it will be filling out the part with the image itself. So we open this image. Okay, so for this, what I think is we should use the AI fill. So instead of this, if I use this particular thing, I think it will be using the AI fill. So if I click on edit, then magic remover, eraser. Okay, so instead of eraser, I have to use magic remover. So let me try to use this one with another image. So let's click on cancel, regenerate, click over here, And I will just try to find out an image, add it over here, and we'll click on magic remover, and we will remove this person from the image. So with the help of this AI tool, we can remove this person, and it will be adding an autofill in this particular part. So we will click on remove. Let's wait for it to remove this person from this particular image, and it will be adding a fill inside this particular part that we have selected. Previously that we have seen was the magic eraser. So it will be just erasing that particular part over an image, but it will be not able to fill that part. But this feature, that is magic remover, it will be able to do that as well, where it will be removing this person and adding a fill over there accordingly. So let's wait for it to generate the final output. So you can see this is the final output that we get after removing this person. So it is not that perfect, but you can see still it is able to do this with the help of this AI remover tool. So you can see it has a blurry part over here, but it was not able to exactly fill the part, but it was able to remove that person from the image. So this is the magic removal tool. Then let's see what we have. Generative fill, then blur out the image. So let's try this thing out, blur out an image. So let me just find out an image from here. Okay, so you can see, let's try to add some blur. So it might take a few seconds to apply this blur onto the image. So let's wait for it to add this particular blur into our image, and you can see this is before and after. So before, this image looks like this, and now after adding the blur, it looks like this. So you can see how perfectly it has blended the blur with the image, and the colors are looking pretty much perfect. So this is another feature that we can use to add a blur into our image. So if I click on download, it will be downloading the image. That is a blurred image for us. So this is the output that we get. So using this, we can also remove the background of an image and add a blur to the image. Then we can add generative fill as well. So if I click on generative fill, I will be able to add different objects into an image. So let me just try to find out an image. So I want to add generative fill for this particular image, let's say. So let me try to generate a cat over here. And click on generate. So I want a cat to be there in this particular image. So that is what I want. Let's see whether it will be able to generate a cat in that particular part and add it over there or not. So let's wait. Okay, so you can see that it was not able to add the cat exactly over there. Cat, I have to add cat sitting, eating food. Let me select a bigger area so that it can generate and show us the output in that particular part. So if I click on generate, okay, so you can see over here what output it has generated. So you can see this is the output that we get. So you can see a cat is sitting over here. Then we have two cats over here in this image, and we have another cat eating something. So this is how we can use the generative fill to add different objects into an image. You can also add clouds over here as well. So ringing clouds. So we can add different objects into our particular image with the help of the generative fill. So let's wait for it to add raining clouds in the image, and we have already added a cat as well. Okay, so over here you can see this is where it has added a cloud. So in that particular region, we have the cloud, a little bit cloudy thing, because over here you can see that it is a battlefield. We are unable to see it properly. So if we use another image, we will be able to see it clearly. So this was the different features that we have seen in this particular lesson about the AI designer and the different features, AI features that it offers. And we have the tweet to image as well. We have image background remover. So if you want to remove a background of particular image, so let me find out an image over here that we can remove the background from. Okay, let's try to remove the background from this particular image. I will click on remove background, and let's wait for it to remove the background of this particular image. Okay, so you can see this is the final output that we get after removing the background from the image. So we can download it, and you can see the background of the image has been removed and it is saved in the form of a PNG image. So this is how we can remove the image background and perform different operations on the graphic design part in the Simplified AI. So we have taken a look at almost all the features that it offers. So you can try out the remaining features if we are missing out something. So I think that was it for this particular lesson on exploring the AI designer by Simplified AI. So without further ado, let's move to the next lesson of our course.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
today.